Hi all. So today we'll be seeing a new program. So uh, the program is about removing junk character from a string. Sometimes we get a string, let's say it has many characters, and we need to get some particular string from that character or some alphabets and integers from that character by after removing all the special characters and other uh, non-numeric or some Chinese characters or something, right? So in that case, we can how can we do that, right? So it's very simple actually. Not We do not have to write lots of code for that. So string has a function called replace all. So which takes um, which takes regex. So what I mean by regex, so through regex is something through which we can mention like how many characters, or we can give a range of characters like A to Z or 1 to 0 to 9, something like that. So which we do not want or which we want in that string, or which we can extract from the string. So what I'm telling you, I will explain it by doing it live. Let's see. Say junk string dot replace. So as you can see, there is four overloaded methods are there. So one is replace first, replace all, this is replace. So actually this is two overloaded method for replace, and there is one method which is replace all. Now we will need this method, and which is taking a string regex and string replacement. So if you um, if I just select this one, and if I hover over it, you can see they replace each of the substring of the string that matches the given regular expression, right? So if you click on it, we will give you detail about what is regular expression. So summary of the regular expression and constant. So as you can see this, if you give it like this, that means A, B, C, simple class. Now if we give this caret symbol, right, before ABC, that means any character except ABC. So in case like the next one, like A to Z and capital A to Z, right? A through Z or capital A through Z inclusive the range. So that means this many characters I don't I want it through this regular expression, means if I mention this one, that means I want this one. If there is a caret symbol before this, that means except or except this all others. Okay. Likewise, we can do like A through D. So let's say we have got some requirement like we need to extract A through D or from A to D. So through this we can do this in a similar way, or M through P. Okay, so this is the way to do that. And there is also thing as there like a digit 0 to 9, that is like slash D. That is also possible. Slash capital D, that means in on digit. Okay, so this is predefined character classes. So we need to remember it, like what it means slash a's, which is white space character, right? And capital S means non-white space characters. Likewise, there's lots of things are there. So whenever we require, we can visit this page and get it. So actually, Eclipse is giving very much, I mean, good resources. From here, we can get it, right? So okay, now let's see what we can do here. So it's saying the replace all method is taking a replace all and string replacement. Okay, so this part will be taking the value which we want to replace. Let's say we want to replace something, let's say this Java with some other words. Okay, or so I'm not saying this Java here because this will take a regular expression. So what is the regular expression I want to use? I want to first, what is my requirement? My requirement is I want to remove these characters and these characters. Okay, and I want all others thing like this alpha. I want only alphabets and the numerics. Okay, that's my target. So as you can see, I think I have closed it, or no, I didn't close it. So here I have, I think I can use this one, right? This part, A to Z. and capital A to Z, right? So if I use this one, A to Z and A minus capital Z, that means I'm taking, and here I will replace this part with, okay, so I want to replace this A to Z and A to Z with this blank character. So we want exactly opposite. We want this part to be there in the string, but we want to replace all others non-alphabetic characters and non-numeric characters. So numeric also we want. So what we can do, like we can mention 0 to 9 here. That is also, and we'll put a negation. So which is the correct symbol, right? That means we do not want A to Z. Sorry, except this part, all other will be replaced, all other characters will be replaced with a null or with a blank space or something like empty string, right? So now I think we do not have to, so chunk dot replace all equals to this one. So as we do it now, if I do the sys out, so as we know that string is immutable, so we need to hold this to another variable, otherwise because this is not going to replace. So let's see what is happening here. So as you know, string is immutable, so that is why this is creating a new object, and this object has no reference, so that is why it is lost. So we need to put it to this junk string, because now want a junk free string, right? So it should not be junk string, it should be a new string which is junk free string. Okay, so now if I run it, so you can see we got our expected result, like we have removed successfully all the non-numeric and non-alphabetic characters. So that's it. I think I hope you understood it. So like in this way we can remove other characters as well. Whatever junk character would be there, we can remove it easily. So yep.